Hello students, welcome to Abhyaas IT Prep. In this video, we will discuss about Jan 21st evening paper of mathematics analysis. Okay, let's get started. Okay, if you see the first question, this question is came from the quadratic equations which based on the nature of the roots which using discriminant condition. If you observe the question that is based on positive integer n, okay, we need to find this one, this positive integer n for which the solutions of equation is this one. Okay, if you observe that, you may find there is a sequence in this equation. Okay, we have to write firstly general term of this equation. Okay, if we observe that the general term will be like x plus 2n. Since we are writing general term, so we can write as, take it as r minus 2 into x plus 2r. Okay, now we just taken the general term of this equation. Now we just make it into the small equation in order to like simplify this one. Okay, if just multiply this thing, we will get like x square and x like 2rx. Next thing, you have to do same thing with this 2 also. Just like we will have like plus 2r into, just I will like simplify this one. Just make it as like x into 2r minus 2. Okay, and similarly this one also 2r minus 2. Okay, if we proceed with the further simplifications, we will have like same x square. Okay, and next thing, if you observe that we have like here also 2rx and here also as well 2rx. Okay, but we don't go that way, but we will have to see the term like what is the nth term we will get from this equation. Okay, now see here we have like just take the x common. Okay, whatever the terms here, like we have x is here and here as well. Okay, therefore it will be like x 2r, and also here we also have 2r. Okay, just take like 2r minus 1 in order to get like some pattern here. Okay, now if you observe that, just take this as, here we just take like where we have 2r minus 2 as common. Okay, see here we have 2r as x, and just take the 2 common from this. Just we will get like 2rx plus, okay, what we have in from taking 2 as common, we have like 2x like r minus 1. Okay, and next thing we will have 2 as common, there will be 4r into r minus 1. Okay, now just see the summation, make it add as a summation to here. We have like from r equal to 0 to n. Okay, similarly for this as well. Okay, here as well, and similarly here as well. Okay, from r is equal to 0 to 1. Okay, if we observe that for x we don't have r. Okay, similarly we have another one have like this one and also like this one. Okay, now we have to see, just make it like summation has to become outside. If you see here, this, since there is no r, we can say it is as, it is summation will be like n times. Okay, that will be like x square n. Okay, similarly we have like this one here. If since we have like 2rx, we can just take it as common here. Okay, that makes it like 2 into 2r minus 1. Okay, just make it like simple. We have like summation r is equal to 0 to 1 as x square. Okay, since we are taking okay, and we have here x, so they were taking x as common here. Okay, now we have like another one which is 4r, okay, into r minus 1. Okay, now if we see the, just take the summation of it, like if we see here we have like, we will get like n times, therefore x square into like what we have like n times, no, therefore x square into n. Okay, plus for this summation we will have like just write the summation to it. We will have like as r equal to 0 to n. Okay, and similarly we have like here we have 2r minus 1 into x. Okay, and plus we have 4r x, we have to write summation here, sorry for that. r equal to 0 to n. Okay, and next thing we have to write 4r r minus 1. Okay, if you observe that we will have like here odd terms, okay, which is 1.3 1.3.5 up to n minus 1. Okay, and also here we have 4n into n square minus 1 by 3. Okay, this is the nth term we will get from this equation. Okay, after doing this we will have like from this we will get like x square into, and see here we have like n. Okay, okay, and this n term will be like n square. Okay, that will be x square x into n square. Okay, 2x into n square, since we have here 2 constant. And next here we have like 4, okay, plus 4 n r n square minus 1 by 3. Okay, which is equal to, we need to have since we see here we have this one after removing the summation of it. Okay, now if we observe that the given this whole sequence is equal to 8n by 3. Okay, therefore this will be equal to 8n by 3. Okay, now if we observe that we can make a quadratic equation from this. Okay, from this we can easily see the quadratic equation. Which is that nothing but x square into n plus 2x, like 2n square x, okay, plus 4n by 3 n square minus 1 divided by 3 minus 8n by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, now from this we can just take that like n common here, we can take that outside, that will be 0, and then there only n will be present. Okay, just I'm taking the n here and here as well. Okay, now we will have like 8 by 3 here. Okay, now we have like x square plus 2nx, just we have like some constant term here, just we will have to like subtract it, we will get answer. See here we have like 4 by 3 and we have like 1 by 3, like we will get like, oh sorry, we don't have layer 3 here, sorry for that. Okay, now here we have like minus 4 by 3 and minus 8 by 3, we will have like minus 4 by 3 minus 8 by 3. Okay, which will be like 12 by 3. Okay, minus 12 by 3, and this will be like 4n square. Okay, 4n square by 3. From that after that we can easily see that there is a forming that quadratic equation. X square plus 2nx, okay, plus 4 n square by 3, okay, minus 12 by 3, okay, which is equal to 0. Now from this equation we can easily take that what all sum of roots, which is alpha plus beta, okay, and alpha beta. Okay, from this we can easily find the what they are said 2 consecutive even integers. What is 2 consecutive even integers? Which is nothing but say like 2m, when it is one of the integer is 2m, then automatically another consecutive integer will be 2 of m plus 1. Okay, now these are the 2 consecutive even integers. Okay, from this even integers we can find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Okay, after finding this one just use this alpha plus beta sum of roots. Okay, we will have like 2 plus of and 2 plus of 2m plus 1. Okay, we will get like, in order to find like we need to find m. Okay, after finding m we can easily find the n value, okay, from this quadratic equation. Okay, now after that we will get like two roots of this equation, which is nothing but m. Okay, we will get like this one, which is alpha, we just using alpha plus beta, and you just using alpha beta, which is nothing but just product these roots and sum these roots. Okay, we will, in order to find that answer. Okay, after finding the answer we can easily find the n value, which is nothing but we will have like 3. Okay, last option 3 will be our answer. Okay, just you have to do the alpha plus beta and alpha beta, just do the product of that in order to find the first you need to find m. After that you can easily find this n value. Okay, that is our 3 is the answer. Now coming to the next question, we have on the application of derivatives. Okay, saying like if you see here they given that f maps r to r, which is twice differentiable. Okay, which is such that f double dash of x is greater than 0 for all x is equal to 0. They given that f double dash of x is greater than 0. Okay, whenever we have like f double dash of x greater than 0, that means that f double dash of x is increasing. Okay, how we can say that? We know when f dash of x is greater than 0, that means that automatically we have f dash of x is increasing. Okay, from this part we can easily say this as well, which is when f double dash of x is greater than 0, we have f double dash of x is increasing. Okay, with using this one we have to solve this one. Okay, now they are also given another information, f dash of a minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, where a is a real number. Okay, now we have a function which is g of x. Okay, from this by using this function and this interval we need to solve these statements. Okay, the given g is increasing in this interval and also g is decreasing in this interval. Okay, now we need to find whether it is true or not. Okay, see here they given g of x. Okay, we just see here whether g is increasing in this interval or g is decreasing in this interval. Okay, by using this. Okay, see here we have like f double dash of this condition. By using these conditions we need to solve this one. Because first do the derivative of g dash of x. Okay, why we are finding that? Because when we find that g dash is a condition whether it is increasing or decreasing, or by making it is greater than 0 or not. Okay, just make it the g dash, we will have like f dash of, I will like clear this all things. Okay, we have okay, we have g dash of x is equal to f dash of tan square x minus 2 tan x plus a. Okay, now this is the one. Now we have to derive this also. Okay, which is 2 tan x, okay, into secant square x, tan x the differentiation. Okay, now minus 2 secant square. Okay, and this is constant, this will be 0. Okay, therefore we have this one. Now we have to check this one whether it is increasing or decreasing or increasing. Okay, for that we need to check whether it is positive or negative. Okay, which is we have like, just take the secant square common from this. Okay, we have 2 secant square as common. Okay, now we have like f dash of tan square x minus 2 tan x, okay, plus a. Okay, into like we have 2 tan. So since we are taken as 2 as common from this, there is no 2 here. Now we have tan x minus 1. Okay, now we need to check whether, if we observe that this 2 secant square is always positive. Okay, therefore this is one positive. We need to check whether it is positive or not, and this also. Okay, in order to check whether it is increasing or decreasing. Okay, by checking positivity we can say easily. Okay, first we need to check. So for that we just take the tan square x minus 2 tan x. Okay, just take like plus or minus 1. Okay, plus 1 and plus a minus 1. Okay, now after that see here, just take, we know this one we will have like this will be like tan square, sorry, we have like tan x minus 1 whole square. Okay, another one plus a minus 1. Okay, this is of like f of this as well, f dash of. Okay, this will be our answer. Okay, if we see here, this one is always positive. Okay, since we have square. Okay, but we have to check this one. Okay, we know that this one is equal to 0, they given. Okay, and if we observe that this is greater than this one, which is f dash of a minus 1. Okay, which means we already know f dash of a minus 1, that is nothing but 0. Okay, now if we observe that if it is greater than 0, this means whole term will be positive. Okay, that means this one will be positive one. Okay, now we need to check only tan x minus 1 whether it is positive or not. Okay, after that, see here, I'm just clearing all these things. Okay, we have like we need to check tan x minus 1 whether it is positive or not. Okay, for that we need to use this interval, okay, which is the given from 0 to pi. Okay, first we need to check when this tan x will be like tan x will be 0. Okay, when x is equal to pi by 4. Okay, just consider that. Now we need to check whether in this interval it is increasing or decreasing. Okay, if in this interval we have like 0 pi by like 0 x, okay, we have like 0 in between pi by 4. Okay, now if you see here in this interval tan x will be like less than 1. Okay, therefore that implies tan x minus 1 is always less than 0. Okay, that means this whole term like less than 0, that means it is decreasing. Okay, but in the statement they are said increasing. Okay, this therefore it is false. Okay, now check for this interval pi by 4 to pi by 2. Okay, which is pi by 4 will less than x less than pi by 2. Okay, when it will be like greater than like 0, when like tan x is greater than 1. Okay, for this therefore that will be like tan x is minus 1 is greater than 0. Okay, therefore in this interval this will be like greater than 0. Okay, but that means that it is increasing, but they said decreasing. Therefore by this we can say it is neither 1 nor 2 is the true. Okay, which is first option is the correct answer. Okay, coming to the next question, we have on the higher order derivatives. If you observe that this question is easy, just you need to find first they're given this one, just do the derivative of this, which will have like f dash of x, which is equal to 3x square, okay, plus 2x f dash of 1, okay, plus we have like 2 here and f double dash of 2. Okay, if you observe that this one is constant, and also observe that all these are, since we have already derivative and have taken the value, now we need to check for another. We have like we need to find this f dash of 1, f double dash of 2. Okay, after that only we can easily find f dash of 5. Okay, now just do that, like substitute x equal to 1 here. We have like f dash of 1 is equal to 3 plus 2 f dash of 1, okay, plus f double dash of 2. Why we are just putting 1 here? Because of this one, to find the f dash of 1. Okay, and also in next step we will put x equal to 2. Okay, after doing the double derivative of this equation, okay, in order to find the f double dash of 2. Okay, now if we see here we have like f dash of 1, f dash of 1. See here, okay, if we just take the like similar terms on other side, we will have we can easily find 2f double dash of 2, which is equal to what we have 2 here, it will comes here, that will be like 3 minus f dash of 1. Okay, therefore we got like f double dash of 2, like just take it like 2 that side, you will get like f double dash of 2. Okay, but we got f double dash of 2 this like in terms of f dash of 1, but we need to, but still answer is not over. Therefore we need to do the double derivative of this equation. We will have like f double dash of x, which is equal to 6x, okay, plus 2 into like f dash of 1. Okay, now if you observe that we can easily substitute this one in this one. Okay, but how? Just put the x equal to 2, okay, in this one. Okay, that implies, which is equal to f double dash of 2 is equal to 12, okay, plus 2 f dash of 1. Okay, now we got the f double dash of 2. Okay, just substitute this one in this equation. Okay, after that we will get like f dash of 1. Okay, now we will get the f dash of 1 by putting that. After that we will get the since we already know f dash of 1. Okay, therefore just in order to find, after finding the f dash of 1, just we can easily find the f double dash of 2. Okay, after finding f double dash of 1, f double dash of 2, and f double dash f dash of 1, okay, we can easily find the we can easily find the f dash of 5. Okay, that will be our answer, will be 4 is our answer. Okay, just you have to find, first do the derivative of it. After that just put the x equal to 1. Okay, after that after putting the x equal to 1, just make it look like f double dash of 2. Okay, since we have already f double dash of 2, just take the double derivative of this equation. Okay, after that just put the x equal to 2, you will get the f double dash of 2. Okay, just you can solve these two equations in order to find the either f dash of 1, either f double dash of 2. If you get the either of those one, you can easily find the other one as well. Okay, after finding that, just substitute in this equation in order to find the f dash of 5. Okay, therefore our answer will be 170. It's like 1175 divided by 5. Okay, and next question on the basis of ellipse, which is focal distance property at the point of tangency. Okay, if you see here the given one line which is on the touches the ellipse. Okay, if we just take that, just use this. First we need to check whether what is the alpha here. Okay, in order to find the alpha, we know that c square is equal to am square plus b square. Using that we can easily find. Okay, first we need to find the m. Okay, in order to find the m, just take that m from this line. Okay, which is I will show here. Okay, firstly they said ellipse. Okay, first we need to find a. Okay, which is just write the ellipse in the standard form. Okay, we have like x square 1 by 3. Okay, and plus y square divided by 1 by 4, which is equal to 1. Okay, we just converted into a standard form. Now if you observe that, this will be our a square and this will be our b square. Okay, that is nothing but like a will be like 1 by root 3 and b is equal to 1 by root 4. Okay, no, sorry, 1 by 2 actually. Okay, now that will be like this one. Now we just set at point P in the first coordinate. Okay, we have to take after, in order to if we just find the alpha here, just we have to make sure that alpha is present in the first coordinate. Okay, so but in order to find the alpha, first we need to do what is what I have here. Just take that in the slope point form, which is we have alpha x, we have line as alpha x 4y is equal to root 7. Okay, just make it like y equal to mx plus c. Okay, in order to we will get m and c. Okay, see here we will have 4y which is equal to minus alpha x plus root 7. Okay, now we have y is equal to minus alpha by 4 x plus root 7 by 4. Okay, now we got the m and the c. Okay, now we can just substitute in this equation, which is tangent of whatever we have tangents equation, which is tangent equation touch when you have ellipse. Okay, to the ellipse, which is we have c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Okay, just substitute those values, which is b square and a square and c square. Okay, we have 7 by we have c as this one. Okay, if we see here, just we can just substitute those values in this one. Okay, we will have alpha is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay, from just substitute those values in that, we will get alpha as plus or minus 3. Now we got the alpha, that is nothing but just since we have to take the first coordinate, therefore we just take the plus 3. Okay, therefore we have 3x, okay, plus 4y is equal to root 7. Okay, now we know another one, which is they said at the point P at the first coordinate, then one of the focal distance. Okay, what is nothing but a plus or minus x1 e. Okay, what is this x1 here? We need to find that x1. How we can find this x1? See here in the line they said s is equal to s1. Either s we will take s1 or we can take it as t also. Okay, which is nothing but we have to make it like this one as, not this one, sorry, this one ellipse equation, which is 3x x1 plus 4 we have 4y y1 is equal to, we have is equal to 1. Okay, this is 1. Now we know that's the line as where it touches this ellipse, which since it is nothing but like we have like same situation here, therefore we have that will be like these two equations will be our like 3x by, okay, 3. Okay, therefore we have like these two equations will be same, the tangent and this line will be same, therefore we will take it as we will have like 3 and 3x1 by 3, okay, plus, sorry, not plus, since they are same, therefore we can take it as is equal to, okay, 4y1 by, we have like another one which is which have like 3x1 divided by 3 and 4y1 divided by, okay, we have like 4y1 by 4, which is equal to root 7, which is we have like 1 by root 7. Okay, we have like 1 by root 7. Okay, therefore from this we can easily find the x1 and y1. Okay, after getting the x1 and y1, which is but we need only x1, okay, because in order to find the this one a plus, I will just clear this all things, which is, okay, in order to find the a plus x1 e, okay, we need to find e as well, eccentricity, which is nothing but e equal to 1 plus or minus, sorry, e equal to under root of 1 minus b square minus a square. Okay, now just find this one, which is we will get like 1 by 2. Okay, after getting the we got the x1 and a from this equation, okay, which will be like x1 will be our 1 by root 7. Okay, if we just do the simplifications, we will get 1 by root 7 and e as 1 by 2. Okay, and a is 1 by root 3, okay, plus 1 by root 7, okay, and e will be 1 by 2. Okay, if we just see the options here, we will get 4 is the option. Okay, now we will see another question based on the parabola itself. Okay, if you see here, we got the y square is equal to 2x, which is a parabola with vertex at O, where and p be a point on the parabola and a be a point on the x-axis, such that angle OP is 90 degrees. Just draw that we have parabola like this, which is this one. They said vertex at O, okay, and p be a point on the parabola. Okay, now we have a be a point on the x-axis. Okay, since we know this 12x, that is nothing but 4 into 3, which is we have like 4 3s, like y square is equal to 4x type. Okay, that means we need we got the a value, okay, which is 3. Okay, now we got the a value from this. Now we have like a be a point on the x-axis, such that this OPA, this one OPA, this one will be like our 90 degrees. Okay, then what is the length of the locus of the centroid? Okay, in order to find the centroid, we need 3 points of this equation, this one and this one. Okay, if you see here, they given that O and P and A, okay, which is on the point on parabola, okay, and A be a point on the x-axis. Okay, if you just take that one of the parametric equation, which is, since we have 3, therefore 3t square comma 60. Okay, by using this we can easily find the by using the parametric equation we can easily find the other 2 points as well. Okay, just we need to find the t, you can easily find the parameter whatever the equation we have. We know this one is origin, therefore 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and we need to find this one a point. Okay, after finding these 3 points, we know the centroid formula, which is G equal to sum of 3 divided by average. We can just take that average of this. Okay, after finding that average of that, we can easily find the locus equation. Okay, first thing we need to do, we will get first we have this one and this one. Okay, we need to find this equation as well, or we can find that, see here, or we can find this equation, which is point by slope of OP into slope of PA, okay, which is equal to, we know, -1. Okay, since it is a perpendicular, we know which is m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Okay, by doing this one we can get like a point as 3t square, like 12 minus 3t square, okay, comma 0. Okay, since just considered as b comma 0, okay, in order to find this b, we just do this one, slope of OP into slope of P is equal to -1. After doing that, we will get like b is equal to 12 minus 3t square comma this one and this one. Okay, just I will write as b equal to. Okay, now we got the b value. Okay, therefore that means that we got the all 3 points. Okay, 12 minus 3t square comma 0. Okay, now we got all 3 points. That means that just take that like average of this 3, which will be 0 plus like what we have, 0 plus 3t square plus 12 minus 3t square. Okay, that will like we have divided by 3 comma divided by 3. Okay, we got the h comma k values. Okay, just we have this one. Now we need to find the like what is the locus of, then the locus of the centroid. Okay, just make it as like equal to, if after finding the h comma k, we need to just neglect, like eliminate this t term. Okay, in order to find like eliminate the t term, we have to find this h comma k, which is we have like whatever we will get the points from this. Okay, okay, from this just do the centroid, find the centroid of these 3 points. After finding, you will get the h comma k. Okay, after finding the h comma k, you will get the points of like h equal to something and k equal to something. Okay, after getting the terms, we will have like t term here. Okay, after finding like we will getting the t term here, we need to eliminate this t term. How? Okay, just we have like equation like this. Just in order to eliminate this t term, just substitute this t, like one of this t in this equation. Okay, just and also make this as h comma k as x comma y. Okay, in order to find this one. Okay, therefore our equation will be 3. Okay, our locus of the center of this equation will be y square minus 2x plus 8. Okay, just you need to find just the center of this equation. Okay, we will get the h comma k. Okay, after getting the h comma k, you need to eliminate the t term. Okay, like after just eliminate in order to eliminate the t term, just substitute one of the equation into another one. Okay, after you will get the y square minus 2x plus 8. Okay, this is one of the question. Now next question on the basis of parabola already. Okay, we have on the basis of focal chord and by using the section formula. If you see here, they given one point. Okay, they are saying that one end of the focal chord of the parabola is 16 comma 16, and by using this one we have to find the another end of the focal chord. If you observe that we have the parabola as this one, and they're saying this one point and here as another point, and saying that this p of alpha comma beta divides the focal chord. Okay, in the ratio 5:2. Okay, in this equation they didn't say how we can, it is dividing 5:2, either 5:2 or like we can have like 2 cases. Okay, which is 2:5. Okay, we can also have to we have to check whether which one has the minimum value of alpha plus beta. Okay, for in order to find, first see that we have like 16 comma 16 here. Okay, now we need to use the parametric equations by using this, like we have like a equal to 4. Okay, now by using this, like we have parametric equations as like 4, since we have like 4 here. Okay, that will be like, for we have first point as we have like say yes at square, since at square is nothing but like 4t square. Okay, like we have like 4 times 2. Okay, which will be like 8t. Okay, this one, and b which will have say it as 4t1 and 8t1. Okay, similarly we have like t2. Okay, 4t2 square comma 8t2. Okay, now another point we have like we need to find this alpha and beta, p of alpha comma beta, but we need to find this one. Okay, say we have like p here. Okay, just like p here and q. Okay, we need to find this one. it is not p here, it is since we already taken the p as the midpoint, sorry, which divides that, is divides it, therefore it will be like a, take it as a and b. Okay, therefore this will have like a and b. Now since we know one of the parametric equation is 40 square comma 41 square comma 81, and another one is by using this one we know, which is already they given 16 comma 16. Okay, by using this we can easily find the T1, but how we can find the T2? Okay, we know that T1 into T2 is always equal to -1. Okay, by using this we can easily find the T2 as well. Okay, after just equate to that equal to 16 comma 16, we will get like T1. Okay, and after that we will get like T2 as well, which is like we have like T1 is equal to 2 and T2 is equal to -1/2. Okay, therefore after getting this 2 1 like T1 and T2, just substitute those values like in this B1, therefore we will get the B point as 1 comma -4. Okay, therefore we got the 1 comma -4 as the second another point, another end of the point. Okay, now we got the 2 points. Okay, therefore we need to check the, but now by using the section formula, which is mx plus ny divided by m plus n. Okay, comma, which is okay, and similarly we have like mx minus ny plus m plus n. Okay, this is the section formula. Sorry, this I have some corrections here. Okay, we have like mx2 n x1, okay, and my2 plus ny1. Okay, this is the section formula we have to use, but not only for 5:2, we have another case which is 2:5 as well. Okay, in order to find this p of alpha comma beta. Okay, which is need there's nothing but this alpha comma beta we need to find. Okay, if we see here, we got the 1 comma -4 and 16 comma 16 already we have. See here we have like p of alpha comma beta we need to find. Okay, from like first case 1 as 5:2, we will get like alpha plus beta, which is equal to 22. Okay, after doing the section formula we will get like alpha and beta as like some of it, we just, if we add those things we will get like alpha plus beta as 22. Okay, which is another one. Now for case 2 we have like 2:5, like where m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 5. Okay, therefore for this we have alpha plus the sum will be 7. Okay, now we got the two values of this like two cases situation, but they asked about minimum value of alpha plus beta, which is minimum value of alpha, which is 7 comma from 7 comma 22 is, the answer will be 7. Minimum of those values will be 7 only. Okay, therefore our answer will be 7. Okay, that is the case here. Now another question on the 3D geometry, which is distance of point from the line. Okay, they given one line, let the line passes through this point -3 comma 5 comma 2 and make equal angles. Okay, with the positive coordinate axis. Okay, if the distance of L from the point -2 comma r comma 1 is 14. Just see here they given the distance is 4. I will show in the diagram. They given we have a line here, okay, which passes through the -3 comma 5 comma 2. Okay, and make equal angles. Okay, saying that equal angles, it means like suppose we have like alpha here. Okay, that means that for x value we have like alpha, for y value also we have alpha, for z also we have alpha. Okay, that means that the direction ratio of this equation, this one will be our 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, therefore the direction ratio of this will be 1, and the L equation we have here, that is we have like x plus 3 by we have like x plus 3 by, since we have the direction ratios here, we have like x plus 3 divided by 1 is equal to y minus 5 divided by 1, which is equal to z minus 2 divided by 1. Okay, this is the line equation of our question. Okay, and also the given which is this is like distance from the L. Okay, whatever we have like L. Okay, this one distance from the L, which is like from this point -2 comma r comma 1. Okay, which is we have like under root of 14 by 3. Okay, this is the one they given. Now we have to like we know, and also we have like a direction ratio as 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, and now we need to find the foot of the perpendicular and also their direction ratio. In order to find that, we need to have like say make it as this equation as lambda here. Okay, we will get like lambda, like what we have like x equal to, we will get like some point as x like lambda minus 3, okay, and lambda plus 5, okay, and next one which is comma lambda plus 2. Okay, this is the foot. We will get the point of the foot of the perpendicular. Now we need to find that like by using this direction ratio, and also we know this product will be 0 since it is a perpendicular. Now by using this, we need to find the direction ratio of this one, which is lambda minus 3. Okay, lambda minus 3 plus, so we have like lambda minus 3, or like we have like lambda minus 5. Okay, now we just taking the like subtraction of it. Okay, we have like a lambda minus 3, therefore we just have, okay, just by using this we have like, we will get like lambda minus 1, okay, lambda plus lambda plus 5 minus r, okay, lambda plus 2 minus 1, that will be like lambda plus 1. Okay, this is our direction, like direction ratio. Okay, now we need to just use this direction ratio and this direction ratio, take the product of this. We already know that is the perpendicular, therefore that will be equal to 0. Okay, therefore just we will get like lambda minus 1 plus lambda plus 5 minus r plus lambda plus 1. Okay, we have like this one which is equal to 0. Okay, from this we will get the lambda value, okay, which is equal to in terms of r. Okay, after getting that lambda values, just substitute in this equation. Okay, just substitute in this equation in order to find that one. Okay, after substituting that one, we will get like after finding that, like we will just use the distance formula. Okay, by using the distance formula, which is equal to root 14 by like we will get like sum of x, y and z, which is like x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1, which is equal to like since we have like root 14, we just square on both sides, then we will have like 14 by 3. Okay, after that we will have like some, like we need to take the sum of possible values of r. Okay, sum of possible values of r, that will be like our so if we observe that, just if we do that, we will get like a quadratic equation of this one. Okay, just after doing this like x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1, we will get like a quadratic equation of this. Okay, like we just do that like some simplifications, we will get like r value as 7, 3. Okay, we will get r value as 7, 3. Just sum of the possible values will be 10. Okay, the answer will be our 10. Okay, now. Okay, now next we have like another same 3D geometry question, which is a line intersection plus distance between points. Okay, they given like L1 and L2 lines. Okay, which is this up to the parallel to the vector or pass through this point. Okay, if you see here, this one our we have like L1. Okay, which we have like L1. Okay, see here we have like L1 as x, okay, minus 2 divided by 3 minus 3. Oh, we have x minus 2 minus 3, which is equal to next we have like y minus 6 divided by this one 2, which is equal to z minus 4. What we have like, sorry, z minus 7 divided by 4. Okay, this is one. These are the direction ratios, 3 to minus 3 to 4. And for L2 we have this one for use by using this, which we have like x minus 4 divided by 2, which is equal to y minus 3, okay, divided by 1, which is equal to we have like another one, z minus 5 divided by 3. Okay, these are the L1 and L2, and they said if L3 is the parallel to the vector this one and intersects the line L1 and L2 at the point C and D. They are saying this C and D, we have like a line on the L3 line. Okay, this L3 line has a vector which is 3, which is a direction ratio which is minus 3, 5, 16. Okay, we need to find the what distance between the magnitude square is of the C and D. Okay, in order to find that, first we need to find the C and D. Okay, by using this L1 and L2 we can easily find, which is by using this direction ratio, which is just made. Firstly we need to assume as this makes equal to as lambda and this is equal to as mu. Okay, after making it as lambda and mu, okay, we can easily find the C1, C and D. Okay, just in order to find this, we will have in the terms of lambda, okay, lambda minus lambda plus 3, okay, divided by lambda, we have okay, we will have the minus 3 lambda divided so 3 minus 3 lambda plus 2, okay, and 2 lambda plus 6 comma 4 lambda plus 7. Okay, these were for C. Okay, similarly D as well. Okay, after finding this ratios of this points of C and D, we need to find the by using these ratios as well. Okay, so they given this vector as well. Okay, by using that vector we can easily find the C and D. Okay, after C here they given already C and is lying on the L3. By using this one, since we have C, D here, okay, we need to just take the join those points. Okay, in order to join those points, we need to just subtract this C minus D. Okay, we need to find the C minus D and also equate that to 3 comma minus 3 comma 5 comma 16. Okay, after finding that one, we will get this one, this point, okay, which is we have sum of x y z equation situation here. Okay, we will get 3 points here. Okay, from these 3 points we will have, from just by using these 2 points we can easily find the lambda and mu value. Okay, by just after finding the lambda and mu value, it is easy for us to find the CD whole square. See, because we have to take the magnitude of this C and D. Okay, we will get just after finding the lambda and mu, just substitute those values in this one. Okay, we will get the C and D points. Okay, after finding the C and D points, it is easy for us to find the distance formula. Make it as we have magnitude whole square. Just we can find that one. Okay, after finding C and D points, just we need to just subtract this one. Okay, from D. Okay, C minus D and C minus these 2 points. Okay, after finding that, we will have C minus D form by using this whatever we have a vector which is minus 3 comma 5 comma 16. You can easily find the 2 equations. Okay, in these 2 equations we can easily find the lambda. By solving those 2, we will find the lambda and mu value. Okay, after finding the lambda and mu value, just substitute these 2 points lambda and this in this C and D as well. Okay, after putting that values, we will have C and D points. Okay, after that we will have just use the magnitude or distance formula in order to find this one. Okay, therefore by finding that one, we will get the answer as 290. Okay, now come to the next question on the basis of quadratic equation. It is a simple question. See here they given a parabola situation here. If you see here this one, they given on the interval alpha is less than 1 comma 1 less than beta. Okay, if you see here this one is upward parabola like this one. Okay, which is we have alpha, okay, beta here. Okay, therefore we have one is staying here like this here. Okay, that means the alpha is less than 1. That means that here we have this function is what we have at x equal to 1. Okay, at x equal to 1, this quadratic equation will be write it as 2ax, okay, plus 3a plus 10. Okay, okay, which is less than 1. Okay, when x equal to 1, okay, just substitute one value here. Okay, we will get this one. Okay, 1 square. Okay, that will be 1 plus 2a plus 3a plus 10 less than 1. Okay, if you say substitute those one, we will have a is as a less than minus 11 by 5. Okay, therefore that means that we have which is a is less than minus 1. That is nothing but if you just try in the range range form, we will have minus infinity to minus 11 by 5. Okay, therefore which is the option? 4 is the option, is the correct answer. Okay, now moving to the next question on the basis of probability we have, which is mean variance. Okay, if you see here the given 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, with probabilities, this one we know the probability always will be sum equal to 1. Okay, just make it as sum. Okay, which is 2a plus 1 by 30 plus 8a plus 1 by 30 plus what we have, sorry, we have minus 1 though. Okay, minus 1. Okay, 4a plus 1 by 30. Okay, plus b is equal to what we have, 1, since probability of sum is equal to 1. Okay, therefore just in order to find this, just if we do this, we will get one equation, which is 2 plus 8 plus 4, which is nothing but 14a. Okay, plus 30 as 30b. Okay, and we have like 1 minus 1, that will be, it will be cancelled out, and only 1 remains. Okay, which will be goes that side will be like 30 minus 1. Okay, therefore that will be our 29. Okay, this will be our first equation. Okay, from the sum we got the first equation. Now we have the mu and sigma. By using this one, we can easily find another equation in order to find the a and b values. Okay, just see here they given all sigma square plus mu square is equal to 2. Okay, if you see the pattern, we know sigma square is equal to summation of probability of xi, which is into xi square. Okay, from I is equal to 1 to 4. Okay, sorry, from I equal to 0 to 3. Okay, like this is the situation we have by using this one. Okay, which is probability of 0, probability of 1, probability of 2, probability of 3. We need to find, okay, which is minus mu square. Okay, we know, just take that this side, we will have like sigma square plus mu square, which is equal to this one. Okay, when this will be equal to 2, and we need to find this one. Okay, how we get this, find this one? See here, we need to find the sum of this one, which is sigma of like xi, which is nothing but 0. Okay, 0 into probability of 0 will be, we have like this one, probability of 0 is this one, but if we just substitute 0 here, we will get like 0 plus next 1 into 2a plus 1 by 30. Okay, and next 2 into this one, and see here 2 square actually. Okay, therefore 4 into 8a minus 1 by 30. Okay, now another one, which is for we have like this one, another one, for this one will be for 2, and for 3 will be 3 square, that will be 9. Okay, and next one will be 4a plus 1 by 30. Okay, now we got this one, which is, if we just do it, do this one, we will get the another equation, same kind of this one. Okay, first for that we need to find the a and b values. Okay, we will get the like a as 2 and b as 1 by 30. Okay, by solving those two equations. Okay, after solving those two equations, we will get this one. Now we need to do a by b. Okay, that is nothing but 60 is our answer. Okay, for a, if we do the just a by b, we will get the 60 is the answer. Now we have another equation, another question on the basis of definite integration. We need to find the area between those two curves. If see here, the given this one, see, and also the given coordinates as x greater than 0, y greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now see here we have like this one, which is 1 minus 2x. Okay, just substitute 0 here, that will be y equal to 1. Okay, therefore 0 comma 1. Okay, now another one, put y equal to 0, therefore that will be our 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 comma 0. Okay, that is our answer for this one. Therefore this, for this side we will have like this one. Okay, and also if we have like, if you see here, this is one downward parabola. Okay, like this one. Okay, now see here we will get like 4 comma 0 here. Okay, 0 comma 4, sorry. Okay, and this is as well as when we put y equal to 0, we will get like 2 comma 0. Okay, now if you see here, we got this one as a what we have like common region here, but we know this, we can't do that, like we have like use situation here. But in order to do that, in order to find the area, just minus it, like area of parabola minus area of the triangle. Okay, this triangle. Okay, from this triangle just minus it, like from the parabola just minus this triangle. Okay, we know this will be like 0 to 4. Okay, we are like 4 minus x square. Okay, we will have this situation, which is like this one, 0 to 4. Okay, minus from like we will have like Okay, since we need to find the area of the triangle, which is 1 by 2, here we have like 1 by 2 into base as height as 1. Okay, therefore half a base into height, we will get this one. Okay, just substitute find this one, we will get like some kind of fraction. Here as well we will get like some kind of fraction here. Okay, the like 16 by 3. Okay, and will be like 1 by 4. Okay, we will get like this is the area. Now just see here, we will have like alpha and beta situation here. Therefore just do this LCM part of it, we'll get the answer. We has 73. Okay, we will get like 61 by something. Okay, I hope you understood what I'm saying. In order to find the like alpha plus beta, okay, just find the alpha and beta, just add those one. Okay, we will get the 73 is the answer. Now we have on the basis of geometric progression, which is like, see here they given this term as GP, and also has, since it is a GP, we have the common ratio. Okay, and the given also common ratio as 1 by root 2. Okay, we need to find this whether it is also is JP or not. Okay, in order to find that, just take this one as like A2 by 2A1 plus, okay, and see here we have like okay, A2 is equal to 2A1 and A3 divided by, this will be our like we'll have like A2 by 2A1. Okay, this is similar situation we will have like this one. Now we have like this one, which is 2 square into A2 by 2A1. Similarly we have like A4 by 2 cube, like A3 divided by, we will have like 2 times of it, which we will have like this one. Same, this will be continuous. Okay, after doing this one, we will get like A2 by 2A1 is equal to A3 by, okay, up to this we will get like this. Okay, if you observe that this is one like a GP here. Okay, and the given common ratio as 1 by root 2. Okay, now just we can see easily that A1 by A, like this one A1, A2 are also in the GP as well. Therefore with the common ratio 1 by root 2, as 1 by root 2 has a common ratio for this one. Therefore that will be like a here common ratio will be C here. If we just do the common ratio for this one, 2A1 is equal to 1 by root 2, that will be our A2 by A1 common ratio will be root 2. Okay, similarly for this as well, this as well, and this as well. Therefore we can easily see that this is also in the GP. Okay, we know by using the sum of like GP, that is like first term into r power, since we have like 10 here. Okay, r power 10 minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay, just we know the common ratio is 1 by root 2. Okay, just using that, and also first one will be we need to find this one. See here, we need to find that one only, and which is equal to what, 62. Okay, they already given, and this one we have to find, and r power like common ratio as root 2 here. Therefore root 2 power 10 minus 1 divided by root 2 minus 1. Okay, which is equal to 62. Okay, now we have to find, see here we have like a root 2 power, like this will be our like 2 power 5 minus 1 and root 2 minus 1. Okay, all into A1 into equal to 62. Okay, therefore we have like here 33 will be our answer, sorry, 31 will be our answer, 31 2's. Okay, therefore A1 is equal to 2 into root 2 minus 1. Okay, that is our A1. Okay, that will be option 1 is the right answer. Okay, now we have on the base of modulus, which is we have the two sets here. In order to find this, first we need to do that, like first take it as first set, which is A is equal to this one. We have like x mod 10, which is less than or equal to 6. Okay, by we know we can write it as minus 6 less than or equal to x square minus, since we have taken that modulus from that. Okay, therefore less than or equal to 6. Okay, from this just like minus, like we will just minus it, minus 10 on both sides, we will have like minus 16. Okay, less than or equal to x square, just add them up 10 here. Okay, we will get, just add the 10 here in order to remove the 10 from this. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, that will be our 4 less than or equal to x square less than or equal to 16. Okay, now we got this one, we can divide it as two times, like two terms, like which we have like x square is greater than or equal to 4 or x square less than or equal to 16. Okay, now this will be as it will be divided into two parts, which is x square is greater than or equal to 2 and see here we are keeping and x square less than or equal to minus 2. Okay, we know we can do when we have like greater than or equal to like something, we have, if we just we make it two parts. Okay, when we have like x less than or equal to a, we will just we will have like minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Okay, we will make it that like. Okay, now if you see here, we got it to in the number, if you just draw the number line of this one. Okay, we have like x greater than or equal to x less than or equal to, that will be our minus infinity to infinity, and x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, from here we have 2 here, and x less than or equal to minus 2 here, and we have also minus 4 as well. Okay, and this is the one we have, and 4 as well we have here we have. Okay, this is the thing, and if you see here x greater than or equal to 2, this one, and x like x less than or equal to 4. Okay, this one. Okay, therefore we have like this situation, minus 2 comma 4 is the region. Now another one, x less than or equal to minus 2, this one, and x greater than or equal to minus 4, this one. This is the, okay, therefore minus 4 comma 2 union. Okay, this is the region we have. Okay, from this one, for a set we have this one. Okay, if you see the b one, okay, this one which is x minus 2 greater than 1 modulus. Okay, if you take the modulus from that, minus 1 less than or equal to, sorry, only less than, we have like since we have greater than 1, therefore we don't need to do this. Okay, that will be like x greater than 2, this will be 3, and we have x less than 1. Okay, just take that like 2 that side, that will be like we have like x less than x minus 2 less than minus 1. Okay, then 2 came here, that will be like plus 1. Okay, therefore this one we have, this one we have. If you just draw the number line like okay, we will have like draw this one. Okay, we have like minus infinity and plus infinity. Okay, we have just close it, this one, sorry, minus 4, close this as well, minus 2. Okay, and here we have 2, and here we have like open here 1, and 3 as well open here, since there is x is greater than 3. Okay, and x is less than 1. Okay, there is no given equal to symbol. Okay, and we have close 4. Okay, if you see here, just by using this one, we need to find the which option is correct. If you see here, for a union b, the like both combination of this one. See here, for this one, this is one they given closed one, but here it is open. Okay, therefore this is wrong. Okay, see here, for a minus b, it means that whatever the a elements has to be present and b elements not be present. Okay, therefore that is nothing but just if we observe that this will be a element, this will be a element. Okay, but they said 3 is also a element of like they said like minus 2 like 2 comma 3 is also included. But if you observe that here 2 for in a we have 2 comma 4 interval, but they are saying 3 is not included, therefore this is also wrong. Okay, and in a intersection b we have minus 4 comma 2, it is okay, but when we do the a intersection b, we go in b element we don't have 3. Okay, but they are saying 3 is also included, therefore this has to be open. Okay, therefore it is also wrong. But if you see the fourth option, it is as usual, it is correct, because we are taking the b. Okay, like we're just taking out of the, like we are ignoring the a1 and taking the b values. Okay, just subtracting the a values, which is just ignore this one and ignore this one. We will have like from year to year minus infinity to 4 and minus 2 to 1 here. Okay, open. Okay, after we just ignore this one, we just take them from this here. Okay, that's how fourth option is the correct answer. Next we have like on the matrices equation solving. See here, by quadratic equation we can easily solve this one. Okay, just like we know we have the like a square like minus a of trace a, okay, plus det, like determinant of a, okay, which is equal to 0. Now by using this one we know this trace will be like a square minus a, trace of a will be like 2a sorry, like 2, okay, plus determinant of this will be like 1, okay, that will be I, okay, which is equal to 0. Now we got the a square, just make it as equal to a square is equal to 2a minus I is equal to this one. Okay, I hope you understood what I am said. Now we got the a square, similarly do the a cube, we will get like just multiply with a, we will have like 2a square a, okay, just substitute this one in place of a square, okay, that will be like 2 into a 2a minus I minus a, okay, this will be like our 4a minus a, that will be 3a, okay, 3a minus like 2i. Okay, if you observe the pattern here, we got for 2a and I here, okay, but when we have like cube here 3 and we have 2 here, okay, observe the pattern. When we have like a square is equal a square, we will have like 2a minus I and a cube which is 3a minus 2i. Okay, similarly for a for 4 we will have like 4a and 3i. Okay, it will go on the pattern, we will get the a power 15 as a power 15 is equal to 15a minus we have 14i. Okay, that's how we will get the a power 15. Now we got the a power 15 value, just add with the b, okay, in order to find the this whole thing, okay, in order to find the like x and y values, okay, which is this one will be like 15a minus 14i plus b, okay, this one, okay, plus b, okay, just add these things, okay, in order to find this like x, y and 0 comma like 0, okay, you need to find, we will have like 2 minus 11, okay, x, y 0 comma 0 0, okay. If you see here we have like infinity many solutions, therefore we have only one equation here for that, okay. Now we need to satisfy this one, 2x minus 11y is equal to 0 by using this option. If we just check these options, we will get like third option is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you understood what I am just doing. Okay, come to the next question. We on the basis of vector algebra, they given like if for a triangle P, vector P and Q and R, that is nothing but like they given one triangle, okay, like this one which is BC, okay, and they given the directions, and Q like A here we have like this direction CA bar, okay, and R bar which is BA bar, okay, this one R bar, Q bar and P bar, okay, they given P bar as 2√3, this one, okay, and Q bar as 2, mark Q as given magnitude of P and magnitude of Q at Q as 2 and given cos theta, okay, in order to find the like the given theta, but where is the theta here? Theta is the angle between, they said already P and Q. Just if we just extend this one, we have the like theta is the angle between P and Q, okay, this angle theta, and now in the triangle we have the theta as like pi minus theta, okay, angle will be pi minus theta, okay, when we see that one, okay. Now we need to find this one, okay, in order to find that one we need to find like first assume as this side as A and B and C, okay, by using the cos theta we can easily find this one, okay. We have by using the like a triangle rule, okay, we know this by using the triangle rule we have like P plus Q is equal to R bar, okay. Now next process will be our, okay, in order to find the like P plus Q we have to like substitute this one in place of A, okay, by using the triangle rule we have like P plus Q is equal to R bar, okay. Now next process will be our, okay, in order to find the like P plus Q we have to like substitute this one in place of A, okay, by using the triangle rule we have like P plus Q is equal to R bar, okay. Now next process will be our, we have this one. Now use the like cos of pi minus theta. We have a square, this side a square plus b square, this one, okay, we are taking that one as b square, and this c square, okay, which is nothing but like mod r, we just take assumed as c, okay, divided by 2ab, okay. Just see here, we can take it as cos of theta, okay, since pi minus theta is cos theta, and which is equal to this one, okay. We know the values of a and b, just substitute those values, okay, from here, okay, from here. And also we have like a cos theta minus cos theta will be our 1 by root 3, okay, therefore there will be minus 1 by root 3, okay. From this we will have like a cos theta as 1 by root 3, and we have to substitute those values here, okay. We will get the answer C as 24, okay. That is nothing but mod r square is equal to 24, okay. Now we got the like mod r square, okay. Now just we need to find this one, okay. See here, we need to find this one, which is mod p bar cross q bar 3r bar cross whole square. We already know this is one 3 into 24, okay, which is mod r square, okay. Now we need to find this one. In order to find this one, we just simplify this one, which is q bar as we can write this one as, since we know p plus q bar, which is r bar, which by triangle rule, okay, that will like p bar plus q bar, okay, mod whole square, okay, this one, okay. Now we have like p cross q bar, okay, like just take it as p outside, okay, take that p3 outside, we can take it like p cross q bar minus 3p bar minus 3q bar, okay. If you see here, we have like this is p cross q bar, and when we do the p cross p bar, there will be 0, and we have like q bar and 3 bar, that will be like minus 2q bar. Just take the 2 outside, that will be like 2 p bar cross q bar, okay. We have like this one. Now we have another one, which is when we do the this one, we will get 0, okay, that will be our 0 here, okay. Now we got the p cross q bar. How we can write p cross q bar, which is, since we have mod, this will be plus, okay, and this will be like p mod q and sine theta, okay, and minus 24, okay. Sorry, this will be, since we have 3 options, 3 also multiply with 3, therefore it will be like 72, okay. Now we got this one. Now we need to find the sine theta. We already know by p and q, okay. In order to find the sine theta, just use the identity of like cos square plus sine square theta. We already know cos theta. In order to, like, if we just substitute those values in order to find the sine theta, we will get like under root 2 by 3, okay. Just substitute those values here, since we already know we have a whole square here, okay. I forgot about that. We have whole square here, that will be, here we have like square here, we will get square here also square, here also square, therefore that will be 2 by 3, okay. There's some simplifications leads to one answer, that will be our 200, okay. I hope you understood. There's some simplification is needed in order to find this one, okay, that will be 200. Now we have another one, differential equations. Sorry, we have just convert this one, okay, this which is nothing but dy by dx, okay, 2y cos theta, okay, which is equal to 2 plus 3 sine x into cos x. Just we divided with secant x, okay. After that, there will be this will be become. Now we need to find the integrated factor, which is we have like e power. See here, we have like minus 2 cos theta. Just take the minus 2 outside. This will have like cos theta. That will be d theta, okay. Therefore, like sorry, dx, like we have like x1, okay. Sorry, here we have like x, okay. Okay, dx. Now we know this, we can do this as minus 2 sine x. Okay, we got the integrated factor. Now we can just find the integral. Now just put in the formula, we will have like e power minus 2 sine x, okay, which is equal to this one, this one which have like e power minus sine x into this one 2 plus 3 sine x, okay, into cos x plus dx plus c. Okay, now you need to do the integrated by parts, or just using the substitution. After the integrated by parts, you can solve this one. Okay, after doing that one, we will have like a y equal to something. Okay, and here c will be 0 by using this condition. Okay, minus 7 by 4. Okay, after we will get the one ultimate general solution of this one. Just substitute those pi by 6 value, we will get the pi by 2 is the answer. Okay, this is a just information. You can easily, after this you can easily do that. Just substitute like here we have just substitute minus 2 sine x equal to t. Okay, after that you can easily substitute that. After that you can easily find the, using the integrated by parts, you can easily find this answer. Okay, now next one we have like on the relations. The given asset A has 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now in the relation on the A defined on the x related to y only if 2x less than or equal to 3y. Okay, it's just by using the similar like matrix one we can easily solve. See here, they given like take it as y this side and take it as x this side. Okay, therefore like 2, 3, 5 and 7 and 9. Okay, and similarly here as well 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, now we have to check whether this relation is like they said number of elements present in R, we need to find this L1, okay, which is number of elements present in this it has to be satisfy this condition. Okay, that means that it is the number of elements present in this relation. Okay, we need to find. Okay, for x equal to 2, y equal to 2. Okay, whether just substitute whether x equal to y equal to 2. Just see here, 4 less than or equal to 3y. Okay, that will be y is like less than or equal, y is greater than or equal to 4 by 3. Okay, 4 by 3. If you see here, this is nothing but 1.33 something. Okay, that means it is in the relation. Okay, it is nothing but 1. It is not like y is greater than or equal to 1.33. Okay, similarly we will have like this as well, this as well, this as well, and this as well. Okay, similarly check with x equal to 3 as well. We will have the same situation, which is this one. Okay, now but when it comes to the 5, okay, we have only 3 situations here, which is this one. Okay, and similarly for the 7 as well. But when it comes to the 9, for x equal to 9, we have only this one. Okay, 7, 9 is possible for this. Okay, now we got the L value, number of elements, which will be, we make out this one, L will be our 18. Okay, now we need to find the M, okay, which is the minimum number of elements required to add in this relation to make it symmetric relation. Okay, what I am saying that we have to like how many elements we can add in order to make it symmetric relation. What is symmetric relation? When A comma is present, it means that B comma is also present. Okay, therefore there is a situation we have this one. Okay, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, in order to make it the symmetric relation. Okay, in the matrix, in order to like we need this one in order to make it symmetric relation. Okay, therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 elements present in order to make it a symmetric relation. Therefore M is equal to 7. Therefore 18 plus 7, which is equal to 25, is our answer. Okay, now in next question we have on the basis of system of equations. They are saying that we have a no solution equation, and we know when we have no solution, when determinant is equal to 0 and rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. Okay, therefore for this we have no solution. Therefore just do the determinant of this in order to find the alpha value. Okay, we will get the like alpha value as 19. Okay, we have next question. we have on the basis of complex numbers, okay, which is argument geometry maximum argument on the circle. Okay, see here the given, we in this question we just need to find the z value. Okay, if we just see here, we have the circle here which is center as 5, 0 and the radius as 3, 0. Okay, now so see here we have like center this one and the radius this one, and they're saying that maximum positive principal argument. Okay, when if we just see here, we will have like this one argument and this is as well. Okay, and maximum will be like this one, which is nothing but the tangent to the circle. Okay, if we just draw the perpendicular to this tangent, we will have a 90 degrees situation here. Okay, now by using that one we can easily find the z. Okay, how we can find, see here we got the triangle here. Okay, say it like a CAO. Okay, now we got the triangle which is, we have C as is, I will have like angle here, and C is here we have like 90 degrees. Okay, that will be like A and C. Okay, here we have like this one. Now okay, now see here we have like A and C here given as theta here. Okay, and O. Okay, now we need to find like some cos theta values from this cos theta and sin theta. Okay, why we need to find, since we know with we know z is equal to e power I theta. Okay, and r as well here. Okay, we know what is r here, which is nothing but we from this we have like radius is as 3. Okay, okay, sorry for that. Okay, we can write it as well. We can write it as 4 e power I theta. Okay, from this diagram. Okay, now we know we can write it as like 4 cos theta into I sin theta. Okay, now from this we can easily find the cos theta from this diagram. Okay, we know which is this one, we have like the given which is here we have like a radius as, since this will be like from C to O, which will be 5, okay, which is our hypotenuse. Okay, and from A to 5 we have like something C here we have this one will be like, we need to find AC. Okay, we need to find AC. In order to find the AC we have already like OA will be our 3. We need to find this one. How we can find this one? See here we know which is this one, which is OC square is equal to AC square plus OA square. Okay, by using this one we will get like AC as 4. Okay, this will be our 4. Okay, next we can easily find the cos value. Okay, which will be, just substitute. Okay, this one which is what we have like cos theta like adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, this will be 4 by 5 plus I. Okay, sin theta will be 3 by 5. Okay, that's how we got the z value. Okay, 4 by 5, 4 plus 3 iota. Okay, now we got the 4 plus 3 iota. Now we need to find this one. Okay, if we just use a property of modulus, which is z1 by z2, we can just write it as z1 by z2. Okay, modulus. Okay, just find that, like just substitute those values in this one, like this, using this condition. After that you can easily find the this answer. Okay, this will be our 20 is our answer. Okay, from this question. Now coming to the next question, we have on the largest n belongs to natural numbers for which 7 power n divides 1 not 1 factorial, which will can be we can do by greatest integer function. Okay, which is nothing but 101 by 7 plus 101 divided by 7 square plus 101 by 7 cube, greatest integer. It will be going on. Now if we just divide this one, we will have like 7 times 1, and we will have like 331, which is 7, we have like 14 here. Okay, now something like 14 point something. Okay, we will have like 14 point something plus here as well 49, that will be our like 2 here. Okay, and this will be our plus 0 plus 0. Okay, therefore 16 is our answer. Okay, in this question. Okay, now coming to the next question on the like we have section B, we have like this one simple question. If you see here, just we need to see here, we have like a 3x which is not in the terms of k, therefore limit as like we just take it outside, 1 by n cube and 1 by 3x. Okay, now just we have like summation k square. Okay, we know we can write it as n into n plus 2 and 2n minus 1. Okay, we can write it as 2n plus 1, sorry. Okay, therefore that will be like our divided by 6. Okay, which will be our this summation here. Okay, now we have like a limit 1 by n cube. Okay, we can just cancel this n cube from this one, like here we have like n plus 1, sorry. Okay, n plus 1, we have like n plus 1 and 2n plus 1. Okay, now just we can cancel this one in order to like after cancelling that one, we have like 1 by 3x. Okay, just cancel those things, we will have like 1 by 3x into 2 by 6. Okay, this will be our 1 by 3x plus 1. Okay, therefore f of j will be 1 by 3j plus 1. Okay, we got the function here. Okay, we got the function. Just we have to just take the summation of it, which will be like gp1. Okay, 12 into 3 square plus dash dash, we have this one, that will be like 12 into 1 by 3 square divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, just use this one in order to find this answer. Okay, we need to find like we will have like situation, we have what, 12 into 1 by 9. Okay, divided by 3 minus 1, that will be 2 by 3. Okay, therefore like 3 times 3 and 3 fourths. Okay, 3 will be cancelled out, and this will be our 4 by 1 into and 1 by 2. Okay, that will be our answer, like 2 times 2 will be our answer. Okay, next we have the indefinite integration by using, just see here we have the chord situation here, just convert into tan inverse, which is 1 by 1 minus 2x plus 4x square. Okay, now we just convert into tan 1. Okay, we just, if we observe that, we can write it as 2x. Okay, now minus 2x. Okay, plus 1. Okay, since we already have 1. Okay, we just cancel out this thing, we'll have like this situation here. Okay, just take that minus common from this. Okay, 2x minus 2x minus 1. Okay, now we got, if we observe that tan inverse of a minus tan inverse of b into, we have like this situation, which is we can make it as like this one. Okay, we can make it as like a 2x into 2x. Okay, I think you can observe that we have like situation here, we have like 2x common and 2x plus 1. Okay, just take it as minus 2x minus 1. Okay, that is the situation here we have. Just we have like a 1 plus here. Okay, I hope you understood what I am said. Okay, just we have this one, which is we just to do it as this. Okay, we have like tan inverse of 2x. Okay, minus tan inverse of 2x minus 1. Okay, now we can easily do the definite integral of this one. Okay, just using that like integrated by parts, we can easily solve this one. Okay, just we need to solve, after solving this one, we have to find the 2a plus b. Okay, next we have like we will get like 4 tan inverse of 2. Okay, and here we have like 1. Okay, log 5. Okay, if we just add those things, which is 2 times 4 plus 1. Okay, which is like 9 here. Okay, we will get 9. Okay, next thing we have like inverse trigonometric function of maximum value. Just if you observe that they given one expression here, just make it as similar relation, which is sine inverse of x. Okay, plus pi minus sine inverse of x. Okay, now for the interval, this one. Okay, which is just make it like we need to solve this one, which is whole square, and this one also whole square. Okay, after doing that, we will have like quadratic situation here. Okay, if we get the quadratic situation here, we can make it like some same relations here. After that, we can has to easily solve this one. Okay, we can make it as pi by 2. Yes, there is wrong for that. Okay, we can make it as pi by 2 minus sine inverse of x whole square. Okay, we can convert that into, after that we can have like 2 into sine inverse of x minus pi by 4. Okay, whole square minus pi by 8, pi square by 8. Okay, now we got this one. Okay, now this is the one we have. I think here we have place here. Okay, after that we need to find this one, which is sin inverse of x minus pi by 4, whether it is maximum value of this. Okay, if we, by using this one. Okay, we need to find the maximum value of this. After that only we can add this one. Okay, if we see here, by using this interval which is in between like x less than 1 by root 2, okay, which is minus root 3 by 2. Okay, we need to just make it as like look like this. Okay, which is we will have like 49 by pi square, okay, divided by 144. Okay, we will get like this one, which is maximum one. Okay, we just have to simplify this one. We'll get like this one. Okay, which will be like 2 times, okay, 7, 2 times 4. Okay, we will get like LCM as 72, and here we have as 18. Okay, we'll get like 72. Okay, which is 49 pi, we have like this one, which is 49. Okay, minus we'll have like 9. Okay, which is equal to 40, sorry, plus. Okay, we will have like 58 by 72 pi square. Okay, that will be like, since we need to have GCD has to be make m comma 1 is has to be 1, just cancel out this thing, which will have like 2 times 3. Okay, and we will have like 2 times 3, 2, 6, and 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 9. Okay, just add this one, 29 plus 36. Okay, we will get like 65 is our answer. Okay, therefore 65 is our answer. And next thing we have on the binomial theorem. Okay, just see here, just make it as like just simple like general term. Okay, which will have like summation. Okay, we have like r equal to 0. Okay, from up to like 12. Okay, now like we have like 1 by 15c, we have like 15c r, okay, plus 1 by 15 cr plus 1. Okay, now this is the situation we have. Just do the LCM of this one. We have like r equal to 0, like 15 cr plus 1, okay, plus 15 cr divided by 15 cr plus 1. Okay, now if you see here, we can convert this as like by using 16 cr plus 1. Okay, just we know the formula, which is n cr, like n plus 1 cr plus 1. We can write it like we can write it as n plus 1 cr plus 1. Okay, now just by using that we have this one. Now r is equal to 0 up to 12, okay, divided by 15 cr, okay, 15 cr plus 1. Okay, now we have to convert, like we have to take this one out, like we can take it, we can also write it as 16 by r plus 1. We know which is, we can write like n plus 1 by r plus 1. No, okay, that is the same thing I am writing here. Okay, which is nothing but 15 cr plus 1. Okay, we are, sorry, 15 cr. Okay, now divided by 15 cr as usual, and plus, sorry, into 15 cr plus 1. Okay, if you see here, we have like cancelling situation here. Now we have like since this c here we have summation always. Okay, 15 cr 16 r plus 1. Now we have like 1 by, we can write it as 15. Okay, and into 14 cr. Okay, because we can have like the same situation here, we can make it as just to minus this one, to like cancels this one, we can like we can write it as 14 cr. Okay, now we have 16 by 15. Okay, summation we have, okay, and 1 by 14 cr. Okay, now see here, this alpha power 13, how we have like see here, we can get like alpha power 13 from this. Okay, see here we have like alpha power 13. From this we have, since we have like summation here, this will be become like alpha power, we have some formula here. From that we will have like 6 power 15 power like since like n minus 1, like n minus 1 summation r equal to 0. When we have like this one, we just make it as like 13. Okay, r is equal to like n, we will have like alpha power something, whatever we have like n here. Okay, and summation what we have like here 14, whatever like n c r minus something. Okay, the same situation we are doing this one in place of this one, like we have like 16 by 15 power 13 divided by like summation of like 14 cr. Okay, up to what we have like cr as 12. Okay, now in place of alpha what we have, 16 by 15. Okay, therefore 30 alpha, like 16 by 15. Okay, 15 times 2, which will be 32, our answer. Okay, now on, like we have in the circle, which is perpendicular bisector midpoint condition. Okay, if we just use the p, which is cos theta comma sin theta. Okay, in order to find, just we need to substitute those values. We can easily find, like they given p point, but they didn't given the q point, but they said straight line on the 5x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0 and x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, then the perpendicular bisector of the PQ is, and then 13 times of the sum of abscissa. But that means that we need to find this one. Okay, for this we will get like 2 points in this question. For that we just add those 2 points, like add those 2 abscissas. Okay, in order to find the, like in order to find the situation, first we need to find this point. Okay, which is this, we need to find this abscissa. Okay, for that we need to find the q. Firstly we have this circle here. Okay, and this situation, which is they given 2 lines, which is 5x plus y plus 2 and x minus y plus 1. Just assume as x is equal to t. Okay, then automatically we can easily find the y. Okay, just substitute those values here. Okay, we can automatically find the another point as x. Okay, we can easily find the another point as q value. Okay, q of some kind of x comma y in terms of t. Okay, now next we need to, by using the like slope of this one. Okay, which is, they are saying that this x plus y plus 1. Okay, this is the one, this slope will be our minus 1. Okay, and another slope will be like if we just do the perpendicular, this perpendicular will be, perpendicular slope will be m equal to 1. Okay, now by using this one we can easily find the, like by using the slope of this one, like some say like p. Okay, some like p of a, like, okay, we have this here as x minus, we have like x minus y plus 1. Therefore we have like slope is m equal to 1, as m equal to, and perpendicular slope will be m equal to minus 1. Okay, therefore we got this one. Now they are saying that pq. Okay, this one pq is a line. Okay, this point we have already. Okay, from this, okay, p of cos theta sin theta, and this will be, well, finding, just assuming it's as t, just substitute those values in here. Okay, we can easily find the in terms of t. Okay, now we need to find the midpoint of this one. Okay, p of pq midpoint. Okay, if we just find the pq midpoint, in order to find this by using the slope of this one. Okay, after finding the midpoint, just substitute those midpoint in this line. Okay, in this line. Okay, in this we have to substitute the in this line. Okay, that is like midpoint of PQ. Okay, which is, substitute this one, like we have the point, these points and these points as well. Okay, just find the midpoints of that one, like what we have, like just we know what, like a plus b by 2, like a minus b by 2. Okay, c plus d by 2. Okay, that actually that point of things. Okay, just substitute those values in this one, like x and y. Okay, plus 1. Okay, now we got this one. Now make it like equal, make it, after by using that midpoint, just make it like equal to slope, okay, of this one, slope of PQ. Okay, this will be this, since it is a m equal to for this slope. Okay, that there, since it is perpendicular to PQ, this slope will be m equal to minus 1. Okay, just make it equal to minus 1. Okay, after that we can easily find the t value. Okay, that is, in order to, like, we need to eliminate the t value in order to find the cos theta. Okay, here cos, if in order to find the cos theta, we need to, like we have like to, that will be like we will get like from the slope, whatever the slope we will have, we will get 2 points, like it will be like given as quadratic equation. Okay, we'll get the quadratic equation. After that we will have like minus 12 by we have like 13, okay, comma 1. Okay, these are the 2 points we will get. Okay, just for the cos theta. Okay, this one. Okay, we already got the cos theta, which is sorry for that, we have like 2 cos theta and 2 sin theta, since we have like radius as 4. Okay, now just substitute those 2, like this point and this point in this one. First for p we will get like 2 comma 2, and for q we will get like 24 by 13. Okay, we will get the minus 24 by 13. Okay, as a point we need only to find this one, because since we need to find the abscissa, but therefore the sum of this will be 2 minus 14 by 13. sorry 24 by 13, then 13 times 2 26 minus, okay, 24 divided by 13, okay, we will get like 2 by 13. Okay, 2 since this 13 times 13 will be cancelled out, therefore 2 will be our answer. Okay, that's how we can easily solve this one. Okay, just we have to make it as assume this point in by the parametric equation. We can easily solve this one. But first we have the p and we need to find the q. Okay, just assume the t. Okay, now in order to find that one. Okay, that's all for this evening session. Okay, thanks for watching. We will update in the next video.